Welcome to this detailed visual journey exploring how a car engine works, breaking down every major component and showing how each part connects, moves, and contributes to converting fuel into motion that powers vehicles efficiently every single day on Earth. Number 1. Engine overview. An engine is a complex machine designed to convert chemical energy from fuel into mechanical energy, using controlled explosions within cylinders to generate force, which turns the crankshaft and ultimately drives the vehicle forward with consistent, reliable performance over time. Number 2. Engine block. The engine block serves as the main structural framework of the engine, housing cylinders and supporting critical components, while providing strength and stability to withstand high temperatures, pressure, and vibrations generated during combustion and continuous engine operation cycles under load. Number 3. Cylinders. Cylinders are hollow chambers inside the engine block where fuel and air mix and ignite, allowing pistons to move up and down, creating the force necessary to rotate the crankshaft and produce usable mechanical power efficiently for vehicles daily. Number 4. Piston. The piston moves up and down within the cylinder, compressing the air-fuel mixture and transferring energy from combustion into mechanical motion, which is then passed through the connecting rod to rotate the crankshaft continuously during engine operation smoothly always. Number 5. Piston rings. Piston rings seal the gap between the piston and cylinder walls, preventing gas leakage during combustion, maintaining compression, and controlling oil distribution along the cylinder surface to reduce friction and wear while ensuring efficient engine performance consistently always. Number 6. Connecting rod. The connecting rod links the piston to the crankshaft, converting the piston's up and down motion into rotational movement, transmitting force generated during combustion and ensuring smooth transfer of mechanical energy throughout the engine system efficiently during operation. Number 7. Crankshaft. The crankshaft transforms the linear motion of pistons into rotational motion, which ultimately powers the vehicle while maintaining balance and smooth operation through its precisely engineered design that handles high stress, continuous rotation, and varying engine speeds effectively. Number 8. Crankcase. The crankcase encloses the crankshaft and other internal components, providing protection and lubrication by holding engine oil, while helping reduce contamination and maintaining proper internal pressure conditions for smooth engine operation and long-lasting component durability over time. Number 9. Cylinder head. The cylinder head sits above the engine block, sealing the cylinders and housing components like valves and spark plugs, while directing airflow and combustion processes efficiently to ensure proper engine function and optimal power output during continuous operation cycles. Number 10. Head gasket. The head gasket forms a tight seal between the engine block and cylinder head, preventing leaks of coolant, oil, and combustion gases, while maintaining compression and ensuring efficient engine performance under high pressure and temperature conditions during operation. Number 11. Camshaft. The camshaft controls the opening and closing of engine valves, ensuring proper timing for air intake and exhaust release, while rotating in synchronization with the crankshaft to maintain efficient combustion cycles and smooth engine performance throughout operation periods. Number 12. Valves. Valves regulate the flow of air and fuel into the cylinders and allow exhaust gases to exit, opening and closing at precise intervals to ensure proper combustion timing and efficient engine operation under varying speeds and driving conditions consistently. Number 13. Valve springs. Valve springs ensure that valves close properly after opening, maintaining correct timing and preventing unwanted movement, while supporting consistent engine operation by keeping valves aligned and functioning accurately during high-speed engine cycles and continuous use. Number 14. Rocker arm. The rocker arm transfers motion from the camshaft to the valves, enabling them to open and close efficiently, while acting as a lever that ensures precise valve timing and contributes to smooth and effective engine performance during operation cycles. N. 15. Timing belt/chain. The timing belt or chain synchronizes the rotation of the crankshaft and camshaft, ensuring valves open and close at the correct time during engine cycles, preventing collisions between components and maintaining efficient and reliable engine performance always. Number 16. Spark plug. The spark plug ignites the compressed air fuel mixture within the cylinder, creating a controlled explosion that drives the piston downward, initiating the power stroke and enabling the engine to generate mechanical energy effectively during operation cycles. Number 17. Ignition coil. The ignition coil converts low voltage from the battery into high voltage needed to create a spark at the spark plug, ensuring reliable ignition of the air-fuel mixture and supporting efficient engine combustion and performance during operation cycles. Number 18. Fuel injector. The fuel injector delivers a precise amount of fuel into the combustion chamber, ensuring proper mixing with air for efficient burning, improving engine performance, fuel economy, and reducing emissions during various driving conditions and engine loads consistently. Number 19. Intake manifold. The intake manifold distributes air evenly to each cylinder, ensuring proper air-fuel mixture for combustion, while enhancing engine efficiency and performance by optimizing airflow and maintaining consistent pressure throughout the intake system during operation cycles. Number 20. Air filter. The air filter cleans incoming air before it enters the engine, removing dust, dirt, and debris, ensuring only clean air mixes with fuel, which helps maintain efficient combustion and protects internal engine components from damage over time. Number 21. Throttle body. The throttle body controls the amount of air entering the engine, adjusting airflow based on driver input, which directly influences engine speed and power output, ensuring smooth acceleration and responsive vehicle performance during different driving conditions. Number 22. Mass airflow sensor. The mass airflow sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine, sending data to the control unit, which adjusts fuel delivery accordingly to maintain proper air-fuel ratio for efficient combustion and optimal engine performance consistently. Number 23. Exhaust manifold. The exhaust manifold collects exhaust gases from each cylinder and directs them into the exhaust system, ensuring efficient removal of combustion byproducts and helping maintain proper engine performance and reduced emissions during operation cycles consistently. Number 24. Catalytic converter. The catalytic converter reduces harmful emissions by converting toxic gases into less harmful substances through chemical reactions, helping protect the environment and ensuring compliance with emission standards while maintaining efficient exhaust flow from the engine system. Number 25. Muffler. The muffler reduces noise produced by exhaust gases as they exit the engine, using internal chambers to dampen sound waves, ensuring quieter vehicle operation while maintaining proper exhaust flow and overall engine performance during driving conditions. Number 26. Oil pump. The oil pump circulates engine oil throughout internal components, ensuring proper lubrication, reducing friction, and preventing overheating, which helps maintain smooth engine operation and extends the lifespan of critical moving parts during continuous use. Number 27. Oil filter. The oil filter removes contaminants and debris from engine oil, ensuring clean lubrication circulates through components, reducing wear and maintaining efficient engine performance while protecting internal parts from damage caused by impurities over time. No. 28. Oil pan. The oil pan stores engine oil at the bottom of the engine, allowing the oil pump to circulate it through components, while also helping dissipate heat and maintain proper lubrication for smooth engine operation during continuous cycles. Number 29. Coolant system. The coolant system regulates engine temperature by circulating coolant through passages, absorbing heat and transferring it away from components, preventing overheating and ensuring optimal engine performance during various operating conditions and extended usage periods. Number 30. Radiator. The radiator cools heated coolant by passing it through thin tubes exposed to airflow, dissipating heat efficiently and ensuring the coolant returns to the engine at a lower temperature to maintain proper operating conditions consistently. Number 31. Water pump. The water pump circulates coolant throughout the engine and radiator, ensuring continuous heat transfer and preventing overheating, while maintaining proper temperature balance for efficient engine performance during operation cycles consistently. Number 32. Thermostat. The thermostat regulates coolant flow based on engine temperature, ensuring the engine warms up quickly and maintains optimal operating temperature, which improves efficiency, reduces wear, and supports consistent engine performance during driving conditions. Number 33. Fan. The engine fan increases airflow through the radiator, especially at low speeds, helping dissipate heat effectively and preventing overheating, ensuring the cooling system functions efficiently during heavy traffic or slow driving conditions consistently. Number 34. Battery. The battery provides electrical energy to start the engine and power electrical components, storing and supplying energy as needed, ensuring reliable operation of ignition systems and other electronic functions within the vehicle consistently. Number 35. Alternator. The alternator generates electrical power while the engine runs, recharging the battery and supplying electricity to various systems, ensuring continuous operation of lights, electronics, and ignition components during driving conditions consistently. Number 36. Starter motor. The starter motor initiates engine operation by turning the crankshaft when the ignition is activated, allowing the engine to begin its cycle and continue running independently once combustion starts successfully. Number 37. Flywheel. The flywheel stores rotational energy from the crankshaft, helping maintain smooth engine operation by balancing power delivery and assisting the starter motor in initiating engine rotation during startup sequences consistently. Number 38. Turbocharger. The turbocharger increases engine power by forcing more air into the combustion chamber using exhaust gases, allowing more fuel to burn and improving efficiency and performance without significantly increasing engine size. Number 39. Intercooler. The intercooler cools compressed air from the turbocharger before it enters the engine, increasing air density and improving combustion efficiency, resulting in better performance and reduced risk of engine overheating. Number 40. Supercharger. The supercharger boosts engine power by compressing air entering the engine using mechanical drive from the crankshaft, providing immediate power increase and improving acceleration and performance during operation. Number 41. Sensor system. The sensors system monitors various engine parameters like temperature, pressure, and airflow, sending real-time data to the control unit, ensuring precise adjustments for optimal engine performance and efficiency. Number 42. ECU, Engine Control Unit. The engine control unit processes data from sensors and controls functions like fuel injection and ignition timing, ensuring efficient engine operation, improved performance, and reduced emissions during various driving conditions. Number 43. Engine mount. The engine mount secures the engine to the vehicle frame, reducing vibrations and absorbing shocks, ensuring stability and comfort while protecting surrounding components from excessive movement during operation. Number 44. Belts and pulleys. Belts and pulleys transfer mechanical power from the crankshaft to various components like the alternator and water pump, ensuring synchronized operation and efficient functioning of multiple engine systems. Number 45. Fuel pump. The fuel pump delivers fuel from the tank to the engine at the correct pressure, ensuring consistent supply for combustion and supporting efficient engine performance during operation. Number 46. Fuel tank. The fuel tank stores fuel safely and supplies it to the engine through the fuel system, ensuring consistent availability and supporting uninterrupted engine operation during driving. Summary. All engine components work together in harmony, converting fuel into motion through coordinated processes, ensuring reliable performance, efficiency, and durability, forming the foundation of modern vehicle operation and transportation systems. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Always follow proper safety precautions when working on your vehicle. If you're unsure about any repair, consult a qualified mechanic. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll make a video tackling your specific car challenge. If you found this educating, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to help others benefit from this video. Thank you.